The small push button represents a fundamental yet versatile component in electronics, serving as a simple switch mechanism for user input. Compact and easy to integrate into various projects, this button is widely used for initiating actions, triggering functions, and controlling devices in countless applications. Operating on a basic mechanical principle, the small push button completes an electrical circuit when pressed. Inside the button housing, a spring-loaded mechanism ensures that the button returns to its original position when released. When depressed, internal contacts connect, allowing current to flow through the circuit, thus activating the associated function or action. The small push button stands as a versatile and indispensable component in electronics, offering a simple yet effective means of user input. With its compact design, durability, and ease of integration, it finds applications in consumer electronics, industrial automation, and DIY projects alike. Whether initiating actions, controlling devices, or navigating menus, the small push button provides reliable functionality across a diverse range of applications.